The governing equation of FEA is given as K into Q is equal to F. After substituting the values of global stiffness matrix capital letter K, global force vector capital letter Q, and global displacement vector capital letter Q, the matrix that has been written as shown in the sheet. To continue our solving of the problem, now we are going to apply elimination method of handling boundary condition, which says that due to the fixed boundary condition present at node 1, there will not be any displacements along x and y axis. Thus, you delete first row, first column and second row and second column from the above matrix. In addition, due to the roller support present at node 2, which means that it can have the displacement along x-axis, it is not possible to have the displacement along y-axis, which means there will not be displacement Q3. Thus, you delete third row and third column. And finally, due to the roller support present at node 3, which has a meaning that it can have the displacement along x-axis and it cannot have the displacement along y-axis, which means the displacement Q5 will not be there. Thus, you delete fifth row and fifth column also from the above matrix. Hence, after deleting first row and first column, second row and second column due to fixed boundary condition, third row and third column due to roller support at node 2, and fifth row and fifth column due to roller support at node 3, we are going to get an expression which has been written as 8 into 10 to the power of 3 common factor written outside the matrix into 250 50 100 into Q4 Q6 is equal to 10 to the power of 3 common number written outside the matrix in the RHS into minus 25 plus 50. When you simplify this particular expression within the calculator, you are going to get an answer for angular displacements Q4 and Q6 as Q4 equals minus 0.0357 radians and Q6 as plus 0.08035 radians. Thus, by yourself you write down the answer for global displacement vector Q, which is given by Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6.